everyone, Nancy with our treasure home, and welcome back to the channel. So, cooking videos are coming back. So what I've made today is ground turkey hamburgers. I've got, so let me bring it over here. This is a cup of turnip, and that's in the frying, but cooking in the turkey grease. And then I'm going to add some fennel. So I cut up some fennel right here, and we're just going to add it in. Now, this part, the leafy part, I guess you call it, I just take it off the stalk and use it as a garnish. Now, some of those, I'm going to say stalk, or the viney part right here, you can use that too. It just, when it gets towards the ends of it, it gets thicker, and I don't use that part. So we'll use that as a garnish. So we're going to let this cook a little bit. Bring it all up. There we go. So these should be done. So we're going to set these over here. Use all this up. Now I seasoned that with my turmeric, cumin, and ginger seasoning that I made. I'll add a little bit of salt here in a little bit, but not much else. I mean, you can add garlic and onion powder, a little bit of salt. I'm just trying to get these tender, and the fennel will cook up really fast, the end parts. So as you get towards the bulb and everything, the thicker parts, that takes a little bit, about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depends on how tender you would like to have it. So these are getting, and I thought about making turnip fries. I think that'd be a good idea. Let's turn this off. I'm just going to do that because I'm going to use that for supper. Now we're going to come over here. Get you where y'all can see. And we're just going to sprinkle that on top. And I'm going to add some mustard. Mustard is one of my favorite condiments. And just a little bit, not much. So, and that is what I'm having for lunch. So let's see here. Bring y'all back up. Hi. So we're going to get a little bit of everything. It's still nice and hot. Alrighty. Here we go. All good. Oh, it's so good. Definitely. That's such a good lunch. Oh my goodness. I love that fennel. The fennel does taste like licorice, especially towards the bulb end. This part kind of doesn't, but if you like licorice, you'll like fennel. So, and there we go, an easy lunch today. Thank y'all for watching. I hope to see you next time. We love y'all. Stay safe. God bless. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.